guys, Kimberly Thomason with VacMD, and one of the biggest questions I get is, how do I choose a Miele? What's the difference? And unfortunately, Miele's website isn't super clear for customers as to what the differences are in the different Mieles. People get very caught up with C1, C2, C3. So this video is just to give a little bit of clarification on where to start. And then I'll do some separate videos on each kind of Miele. So here we go. All right, so to start, try to get out of your head the C1, C2, C3, because that really just tells you different features. And for instance, there are no C2s any longer, so that's doesn't even exist. C1s typically have tools on the outside of the unit, dials for their suction, 29.5-foot hoses, or not hoses, sorry, 29.5-foot radius of reach when it comes to cleaning. And then the C3s typically have like 32, and they have electronic dials on the outside, and their tools are stored inside. But we'll get into each type of model, and just don't get stuck on the C1, C2, C3 thing. What you want to focus on is classic, compact, complete, right? So classics have 1-year warranties. Compact units are typically a slightly smaller footprint, still the same weight as the classic, slightly smaller footprint though for storage, and it has a 2-year warranty. And then your complete models have 3-year warranties. And there's one model that not everybody carries. You have to be a special dealer like VacMD to carry something called HOMECARE, which is actually what these two are. These are HOMECARE models. They will be this red color, and they all come with a 5-year warranty. So to start, you want to decide what type of warranty you want on your vacuum, and then the next would be features. And I can quickly go through some features, but I would like to go more detailed into it in other videos that we will link in the description. So very quickly, features. You need, if you have just hard floors, no carpet, no area rugs, then you can go with any of our straight suction units. There are straight suction units that come in classic, straight suction units that come in compact, and straight suction units that come in complete, and straight suction units that come in HOMECARE. So straight suction just means nothing to agitate the carpet. When you have area rugs or rugs, you want something to agitate the carpet. So you can get a turbo nozzle unit, which also comes classic, compact, and complete, and HOMECARE. And then the last thing, of course, would be to get something like an electric powered nozzle. That is good for anyone who has wall-to-wall carpeting. If you have installed carpeting, wall-to-wall, the best thing to maintain your carpeting is having an electric powered head. Now, the electric powered head comes in a classic HOMECARE. There are no electric power heads in the compact series, and the electric power heads come with most of the completes. From there, click on the link below if you want to dive more in depth with me on each type of model. Thanks guys. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, you can text us. Don't forget to subscribe, like our video, comment, tell us all about what you love about your Miele. Have a great day.